So you are officially ready to start your eBay dropshipping journey. But with so much information out there, figuring out the first steps can be overwhelming. And despite thousands of videos and various strategies out there, you're likely still left with a couple of major questions, just like, should I really get started? Or how do I get started? Navigating through these questions will set the foundation for your dropshipping success. And the short answer is yes, you should. And the steady rise in online sales opens up a world of opportunities. But the real question is, how? And that's exactly what I will guide you through today. While eBay dropshipping is transforming lives, starting a new process can be baffling for newcomers, can be very difficult. So let's just clear the fog. And I'm here to show you the right way to start, saving you from wasting time, money, and energy on ineffective methods. Today, you'll be freed from information overload, doubt, and confusion. So get ready for the most beginner-friendly step-by-step guide on starting on eBay dropshipping in 2024. Because by the time that we wrap up this video, you will have a complete understanding of the dropshipping process and how to kickstart your journey. And the most important part, the steps to begin earning money online. To add even more value in this video, here's the deal. Once we hit 1,000 likes, I'll drop a list of 20 winning validated products in the description below, complete with every link that you need. So this way, you can quickly add these hot items to your store and start selling right away. So don't forget to hit that like button and get instant access to these ready to sell products. And to ensure that this tutorial is not only informative but also practical, we're going to dive right into a proven strategy that actually works. Let's begin by reverse engineering the success of a top eBay dropshipper who constantly makes $9,000 in revenue per month, each month, using AliExpress as a supplier. So meet seller Ya Sattar, a prime example of success eBay dropshipping. We will dissect the process step by step, creating an eBay seller store. It's the foundation of your dropshipping venture. Then finding winning products on AliExpress, identifying products that sell, important items to eBay, and managing large inventory of 807 items, just like Ya Sattar. Simple as it may seem, there are challenges to reach 800 active listings and $9,000 in monthly sales. And these are low seller limits that restrict your listing capacity, difficulty in pinpointing winning products and understanding selection criteria, rapid listing which leads to potential account suspension, then slow response to return and customer complaints. But now that you know the process and the potential pitfalls, I'll guide you through each step in detail and show you how to navigate and resolve these common issues effectively. Moving to step number 1 is creating your eBay seller account. At this initial phase, our primary goals are to prevent any account suspension and to increase our selling limits swiftly, enabling us to start growing our business. And here's my top tip for safely warming up your account and steering clear of suspensions. List 1 or 2 items from home, and it could be anything, really. The key here is to show eBay that you're shipping items from your account's register location. And this step is crucial before you reach out to the eBay and request increase in selling limits, as it demonstrates that you're not only focused on drop shipping items. Selling limits are a key factor in why it typically takes around 3 to 4 months to reach profitability on eBay. And these limits are in place for new sellers to minimize their risks and prevent beginners' mistake. eBay operates on a trust-based system, requiring new sellers to prove their reliability. And this means being consistent, processing orders right away, and delivering top-notch customer service. So each month, eBay evaluates your store's performance. And if you actually meet their standards, they will likely grant you an increase in your selling limits, allow you to import more items to your eBay store. Pro tip: Persistence is the key when dealing with selling limits. And if you call eBay for an increase and get a negative response, don't be disencouraged, okay? Hang up and try again in about 5 minutes. And sometimes it just takes a few attempts before you actually connect with an agent that's willing to increase your limits. So keep trying, because your perseverance could make all the difference in expanding your store's capacity. And the same thing goes with links or emails. Keep doing what you're doing, and eventually they will have to increase your selling limits. So let's proceed to step number 2, and that's finding winning products. Identifying the right product is crucial, but there's another common issue among sellers who don't succeed. They simply don't import enough items to eBay. So I'm going to show you how to find winning products on AliExpress for dropship on eBay, aiming for an average profit margin of 30%. Your task is to follow my guidelines, seek out these products, and import at least 10 to 15 items to eBay daily. By doing this, you will be on track to have around 500 active listings in your store by the end of the 3rd month. With 500 active listings, you can already expect 2 to 5 daily sales. Now let's dive into the market research software Zik Analytics, which you can start with $1 trial to access all of Zik's powerful features. For those who are starting out, the Pro plan is ideal. All right, I'll be using both the competitor research and the product research tools within Zik to uncover winning products. And let's get right into it, because this is the exciting part. And I'm going to show you how these tools can revolutionize your product finding strategy. As we log into Zik, we land in the Market Insights dashboard. And this is where you'll find profitable products, perfect for those who have just set up their eBay account and are ready to list items immediately. First things first, let's tune your seller settings to match your business model. Okay, so here we'll select ebay.com as the marketplace. Then you choose dropshipping as the business type, the business model, and then you set AliExpress as the source website. And there you have it. Look at this. You have down here over 50 profitable products ready for you to list. It's crazy. So you don't have to worry about oversaturation or heavy competition, because everything's here. But that's not all. We're also going to use the market insights to identify other dropshippers to spy on. And this is one of the most effective strategies to discover profitable products. So let's explore how competitor research method works in Zik. First, head to the market insights on the bottom left corner and look for trending dropshippers right here. Simply click this icon, this detective icon, next to any dropshipper listed here. And in seconds, you will see their profile open in the competitor research tool. And here, you can view their statistics, the best-selling items to identify potential winners. So our criteria for winning products are those with at least 2 to 3 sales per week or 4 to 5 sales in 14 days. So use these filters right here. Let me show you right here. Use these filters to narrow down to these items. And then you click here, the item finder, and the item finder will reveal the corresponding AliExpress listings. You can either save these products to a folder for an easy listing via Zik's integration, or you can choose to list them manually. But remember, always validate the profitability first. Let's go through an example using one of Yasatar's products. Check it out. This watch strap sells for $4.50 on AliExpress, and Yasatar lists this product for $13. So let's break it down in a clear and simple way. Number 1, sale price on eBay is $13. Number 2, the cost of the product from AliExpress is $4.56. Number 3, eBay fees and sale taxes adds up to 18.9% of $13, which is $2.46. Then you add shipping costs of $1.99, as you can see here on the supplier. Now let's calculate the profit. So 13 minus everything that I said equals the profit of $3.99. And $3.99 out of $13 is what? It's a 30% profit margin. So you can do this process again and again and again. It's repetitive, but it's very effective. And keep scanning different sellers and use their products to discover even more sellers. I recommend adding notable sellers to your watch list and building a solid list of competitors to research for new products weekly. Now, you do have to ensure that the products that you select meet all the necessary criteria and that you become proficient in using the competitor research method. For beginners, this is the most effective way to find suitable products. Now, while Zik offers a multitude of features, I recommend sticking to this approach for the first and second month. And as you grow more comfortable and experienced, and then you can start exploring the other capabilities of Zik, including how to automate various aspects of the process. So now that you identified your products, the next step is importing them to eBay. You have to import these items to eBay. And there are several ways to do this, from auto listers and Chrome extensions to manual methods. However, for scalability and integration with Zik, tools like AutoDS are highly recommended. And AutoDS simplifies the listing process with automation features, including auto ordering and even fulfillment services for some popular suppliers. With Zik, you can save items to folders and then, with just a click, import them to AutoDS and to your store. Zik supports several other tools too, so it's worth checking out the integration options for Zik's website or within the app. And a critical stage in listing is scaling your business, especially after reaching consistent daily sales and accumulating 500 to 1,000 manually found listings. And this is where many sellers stumble. They aim for rapid growth, leading to potential account suspension. And it's essential to understand how to effectively manage bulk listings, determining the right number of items to import to eBay, and ensuring gradual growth. Now, let's explore the autopilot tool available with Zik's enterprise plan, because this tool can rapidly identify winning products for you like this. It's crazy. And after our walkthrough of autopilot, I'll provide you a strategic listing plan focused on smart growth to help you avoid account suspension. So let's go to autopilot. From the dashboard, you look here, advanced tools, and then you click autopilot. Once you do that, you click start new scan, and then you choose your supplier, AliExpress. Then you name here test for YouTube, for example, and then you can choose the amount of sales. You can use all these filters. So let's say that you want 4 sales, a minimum of 4 sales, and the price, it's good from 3 to 50, and the sale date range, let's choose 20. Let's choose more 14, right? Since we're talking about 4 sales. The number of products, I'll be satisfied with 100 for now, and then you create scan. That's it. Check it out. It's pending, and in just a few seconds, it's going to be completed. As you can see, it's completed. It found 100 products. Once you click here to view your scan, you're going to see all the filters that you chose, and you can see all the products here. And with a simple click, you can use the item finder and go through the process that we've mentioned before. Finally, let's address the critical steps to protect your eBay account. Now, while most people focus on growth and sales, the following points are what often differentiate successful sellers from the 90% who fail. And I'm talking about returns and customer complaints. So that's when buyers encounters issues and they will open a case, whether it's for returns, defective items, or non-arrival. So you must respond within a specific time frame. Failure to do so results in a defect on your account, harming your seller rating and reducing exposure to your listings. Always aim to resolve these cases favorably and quickly. And the other one is canceling orders. As dropshippers, you might face stock shortages or price changes. However, never cancel an eBay order citing item out of stock, as it leads to a defect. So you have to find alternative solutions to maintain your account's health. The next one is also very important. it's communication with buyers. So while there's no specific chart for measuring communication performance, eBay algorithm does consider it. So you have to ensure fast, polite, and effective response to customers' inquiries. And remember that maintaining a positive reputation is crucial. Even in challenging situations with difficult customers, just remain calm, take a deep breath, and try to kill them with kindness. All right, that's everything that you need to know to start an eBay dropshipping business. Keep moving forward and see you next time.